Hey, it's John-Marc and I'm excited to share with you this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw classic cartoon characters such as Daffy Duck. If you are familiar with him and you're familiar with the classic animation from the 40s, that's the old ones, not the newer ones now. That was the animation that I grew up on and was well done. All traditional animation, pencil animation, took a lot of work, but the style and the techniques of the animators and the producer who put it out, I give my hat off to. I don't find that style of animation or that quality of animation much lately. It's sad, but true. Now, what can you learn from this character is the easy steps that I had created. Again, just watch the sketching that I do, just the fundamental. You see in this one here, the action line that I actually created first, and then the top of his head and his feet. Sometimes that does help as well. Anyway, so let's get started with the lesson. So if you have your pencil and a paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.